So how can we produce sufficient food for the world population? With the help of fertilizers. Fertilizers are mainly made from phosphorus and ammonia, and the problem is that phosphorus is non-renewable and ammonia is produced by very energy-intensive processes. So if we think about it carefully, we eat the food with these nutrients. So what happens to these nutrients after all? They go to the toilet. And then after the toilet, they go to the wastewater system. And what happens in the wastewater system is that they need to be removed. Otherwise, the aquatic ecosystems are suffering from it. So basically, what happens when we try to remove them is two things. One, we are removing them. So for example, the ammonia is lost back to the atmosphere as nitrogen gas. And also to remove them, we spend a lot of energy. So, for example, in wastewater treatment plants, more than 50% of the energy consumption comes only from urine. And why is this if urine is not that big compared to the rest of the water? Well, this is because the urine contains most of the nutrients. For example, 80% of the nitrogen, 50% of the phosphorus. So basically, we need a more sustainable, energy-efficient way to get these nutrients out of the wastewater. But of course, it will be better if we can recover them, so close the cycle instead of removing them. In Wetsus, a couple of years ago, it was proven that this is possible. Actually, by separating the urine, collecting it separately, we can first do a pre-treatment in which the phosphorus is recovered in the form of struvite, which can be used as fertilizer. And afterwards, with the help of a bio-electrochemical system, ammonia can be recovered. And at the same time, organics are degraded and energy is produced. So basically, we recover and we get energy produced. So we can make this possible. Later on, well, if we really want to take this out of the laboratory, we need to scale it up. We need to make it bigger. And what happened is that in collaboration with Veterskip Friesland, we made a pilot plant in an office complex, so that in this way, we hope that the urine of an entire office complex of around 200 people can be treated in a fuel cell of around the size of a shoebox. Thank you.